Marunong ka namang mag-makeup pero nahihirapan ka pa rin sa eyeshadow? Perfect yung tutorial na to dahil isi-share ko sa inyo yung mga tips kung paano mag-start sa paggawa ng eyeshadow. Since this event is a grad ball, we will be focusing on her eyes. So kung gusto mo ring matutunan ito, just keep on watching. First off, naglagay lang ako ng liquid eyeshadow from Kiko Milano. Maganda kasi itong gamiting pang primer, lalo na kapag matagalan yung event. Then, I just blended it until wala ng harsh line. Makikita nyo that I'm really focusing on my strokes pagdating sa pagbe-blend dahil blending is the key talaga. Next, I am putting a dark shade on the outer V corner of her eye. This is to create an illusion of a bigger eye at magkaroon ng definition yung contour ng eyes niya. Next, I will be using a transition color. Yung transition color, yan yung medium color na gagamitin mo in between the dark shade and the light shade para hindi masyadong harsh. Here, I am using the Dior Backstage palette. And after that, nag-tight line na din ako bago ko ilagay yung false eyelashes. I'm really sorry kasi hindi na pala na-film yung part na yon. Right now, I'm using a liquid eyeliner, mga mi, just to clean everything off from the glue, to create a clean fine line papunta sa wing ng eyes. Now, I'm using this highlighter pencil that is really very useful dahil one swipe lang, talagang very pigmented na. This is to highlight the inner corner of the eye and yung inner corner ng lash line niya. Then, you just wanna put a mascara on your lashes and your lower lashes. If you want a tutorial kung paano maglagay ng eyelashes, just comment down below. But wait, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos, mga mi. Palagi nyo lang tandaan, when you're doing your eyeshadow, you have to choose a light, medium, and dark shade. Kapag nakapili ka na ng shades na gusto mo, madali mo nang masusundan yung tutorial na to. Meron nga pala tayong dalawang finish dito sa eyeshadow. Merong matte finish and meron naman yung may shimmer. So, kanina nagawa na natin yung medium and dark shade. Now naman, this is the light shade that I'll be using. It's a glitter eyeshadow from Skyco. This has liquid texture pero iba-iba rin yung pwedeng maging finish niya. So, naglalagay lang ako dito sa may inner lid niya, creating a beautiful cut. Pwede nyo rin naman tong ilagay sa bandang unahan. Tapos, i-blend nyo siya using your finger. But here, I want to create a cut crease eyeshadow. You can always be creative pagdating sa pag-create ng makeup ninyo. Kaya huwag kayong matatakot mag-try. Next, para ma-emphasize lalo yung nilagay nating cut crease, I'm gonna use the same transition color or the medium color na pinili natin kanina. And dadagdagan ko lang yung darker shade sa dulo. Ayan, as you can see, mas open na yung eyes niya and nagustuhan talaga ni client. Dagdagan lang natin ng konti yung highlighter niya. And we're good to go. Look how amazing this eyeshadow turned out and we really love it.